Hey, are you looking for a way to make money during the pandemic with a small amount of effort? You are? Well, here's a video for you. The website I'll be introducing to you today are accessible from anywhere in the world, including Europe, Asia, America, and Africa. You can make money simply by uploading photos. Now, don't worry because in this method, you won't need a camera or any skills to get paid. You can absolutely earn money without lifting a finger. Stay tuned and learn everything you can so you can start earning money right away. Hey there, welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything and how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So the first site I'm going to show you today is called Shutterstock.com. This is the site that will be paying us today. Shutterstock is now a site where you can find literally thousands upon thousands of royalty-free images. That is, once you download them, you can use them however you want. And the reason so many people use Shutterstock is simply that it is far cheaper to pay. Shutterstock an amount of money per month and download images taken by professional photographers than to buy a camera and try to take them yourself or to pay a photographer. So this is why Shutterstock is so extremely popular. It's just simply a cheaper and easier alternative if you want to find great-looking images. Some of the world's largest companies can now be found on their homepage. Google, AMC, BuzzFeed, and Marvel are among the companies represented. As a result, it is undoubtedly a legitimate website. Now, as I previously stated, this site will pay us, which means that we will have to upload photos to this site. But here's the kicker. You won't need a camera or any special skills for this. I know that most of you watching this don't have a camera, let alone photography skills or experience, so I'll state right away that you won't need them. Now, one of the things that makes Shutterstock so great for making money online is that you'll essentially be making money in the form of passive income. You are paid a set amount of money when someone downloads your photo. And because your photos will remain on this site forever, then you will be able to earn money in pure passive income. All you have to do is upload the photos here and leave them alone. Your work is complete. Furthermore, the fact that Shutterstock is so popular makes it even better for earning money by uploading images. Using a site called SimilarWeb.com, you can see exact statistic on how much traffic any website received in the previous few months. And whether the numbers are increasing or decreasing, Shutterstock reports that they are increasing. As you can see, over 74 million people visited Shutterstock in the last month. This is a 3% increase over the previous month. Only 72 million people visited the site at this time. So not only are there millions of people visiting Shutterstock, which means you have a great opportunity to make a lot of money, but the numbers have recently increased. So now is a great time to start using it to make money. Anyway, returning to Shutterstock, I'd like to show you exactly what you need to do when you first get there. And that is to scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on Sell Your Content, which is just below the For Contributors section. This will bring you directly here, and there are a few things I'd like to show you on this page. First and foremost, you can see how this works in greater detail. Basically, photographers take photos and then upload them to Shutterstock, and they will profit every time one of our global customers downloads their content. So as I previously stated, the more downloads your photo receives, the more money you will earn. And because this site receives so much traffic, it's almost certain that you'll be paid well. Finally, you can see on this page that you can refer people to earn more money. And as I'll explain later, this site is fantastic to promote as an affiliate. But for now, the last thing I want to show you is something you saw in the introduction. By clicking on See Global Earnings, you will see that this site is available worldwide. I've gotten a lot of comments from people who want sites that are available in most countries, and Shutterstock is undeniably one of them. It doesn't matter if you're from Africa, Asia, or anywhere else. This site will work in your country and you will be able to earn from it. In any case, to get started working for Shutterstock, simply return here, scroll up, and click on Get Started. Then simply enter your basic information and create an account, and you're ready to go. After that, allow me to show you the website where you can obtain the said photos. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. You want to go with idplr.com. This is a website where you can not only find images but also a variety of products. And by hovering your mouse over products, you can see which products are which. Ebooks, software, videos, templates, graphics, and music are all available. Because we're looking for photos, you want to click on With Resell Rights, which is located just below the graphics section. That will bring you here. As you can see, it says Resell Rights, which means we have full rights to make money from these photos. And something I really like about this site, and I believe you will as well, is that the photos are all organized into packages. As a result, you won't have to waste time downloading them one by one. Simply download one of these packages, which include hundreds of thousands of different photos. Here's an example of one of those that I've opened. If you scroll down, you'll see Can Be Sold to You. Yes, so you can sell it and profit from it. It's also worth noting to have some limitations. Keep in mind that you cannot modify the product, and make sure to read all of this before downloading the photos. In any case, to download it, simply click on the download button right here. However, in order to do so, you'll need an account, so click here and create one right away. Once you've done that, you want to download all of the packages available here, and then simply return to Shutterstock and upload all of the photos you've just received. And because there will be so many of them, you'll be able to make a lot more money in the form of passive income. We're talking about thousands of photos here. Now, I have a bonus strategy for you to earn even more money through passive income. Well, through the referral program that, if you remember, I mentioned it a while back. To get started as an affiliate, simply scroll down to the bottom once more and click on Affiliate located under the Partner section. And just check this out, guys. Join the Shutterstock Affiliate Program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So a single person you refer to here can earn you up to $300. It's insane! In terms of affiliate marketing, Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites available. As a result, it is definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate through various social media platforms such as Facebook. Of course, you don't have to, but it's a good idea in my opinion, because the money will start to add up once you add it in the affiliate program. Finally, if you are a photographer or want to become one and have a camera, that is the best option of all. Because taking your own photos will add uniqueness. To tap it all off, you'll be able to do what you enjoy. So that's all of it. You can earn passive income now through all the sites that I have mentioned. Don't waste your time with your mobile phone. Go and visit the sites that I have introduced right now. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.